All right, so the tune right now.
Yeah. I can't try to Mr. Toledo Dream, isn't it? Yo. I'm in the troublemaker. Yeah. Goggle them a goggle. Leave short girl them a goggle them a goggle. Man smile at them like a fool, them a tackle. Banana short girl goggle them a goggle. Banana short girl goggle them a goggle. She say me ugly and she pretty like a model. Money no got short, I'm not
Check it for some young garden.
Girl say they pretty but you know them now. Me say goggle them, they goggle. Come goody, me say come from the ring. Come high rock, me say come to the thing. And if you smelly and I put your bread sing. Some girl them a talk but they can't cover. And them a goggle, them a goggle. Deep throat girl, them a goggle. Man smile at them like a fool. Them a tackle. Banana throat girl, goggle them a goggle. Banana throat girl, goggle them a goggle. Open your throat girl, tell me what you find. Catch no man and your damn bad mind.
Banana, yellow flag. A yellow flag of the banana.
Them a college line. If I get a son and she can't get a time, get up every day and they can't bad mind. But I goggle them a goggle. Girl, it on me face like a machine and they goggle. Goggle them a goggle. Deep throat girl, them a goggle. Man smile at them like a fool. Them a tackle. Banana throat girl, goggle them a goggle. Banana throat girl, goggle them a goggle. Them a talk and them a be vexed. Goggle in them throat and that a text. One man come and another one left. When me get talk and the one of them a vex. Them a goggle. Banana throat girl a goggle. Body what you have like a ass in a saddle. She say me ugly and she pretty like a model. Man in a throat, them a play the good angle. Girl say them pretty but you know them now. Me say goggle them, they goggle. Come goody, me say come from the ring. Come high rock, me say come to your thing. And if it's smelly and I put your bread sing. Some girl them a talk but they goggle them a goggle. Deep throat girl them a goggle. Banana throat girl goggle them a goggle. Deep throat girl them a goggle. Banana throat girl goggle them a goggle. Banana throat girl goggle them a goggle.
Goggle them a goggle, baby.
Yeah.
Nobody knows
I can't try to Mr. Toledo Dream.
what is it now? Don't sit down wait for price. Now, money price. I'm going to try and get to try a big donation and then we make up the money to for the prize. Who win the banana throat to pay them. So I'm going to see how much one cup with money and bleaching cream and other things. You know, package like jewelry or something, you know. So whoever win they get that, we are planning for the
She say me ugly and she pretty like a model. Money not a throat, them a play the good.
You know the girl them can do something like this? But like the one that we can do that. Something like this. And then shake the two sides. I want to get one. One day girl them one. Shake the two sides. Then shake the two sides.
Goggle them a goggle. Deep throat girl them a goggle. Man smile at them like a fool. Them a tackle. Banana throat girl goggle them a goggle. Banana throat face like a mission. Goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Deep throat, girl, them a goggle, them a goggle. Man smile at them like a fool, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle. Banana throat, girl, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Banana throat, girl, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Them a talk and them a big accent, goggle in them throat and that a accent. One man come and another one left. When me get talk and the one of them a vex, them a goggle, goggle, goggle. Banana throat, girl, a goggle, goggle, goggle. Body what you have like a ass in a saddle, in a saddle, in a saddle, in a saddle, 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 saddle. She say me ugly and she pretty like a model. Man in a throat, them a play the good double. Girl say them pretty but you know them now. Let me say goggle, them big goggle, them big goggle, them big goggle. Come goody goody, me say come from the ring. Come I want to me say come do your thing. And if it's smelly and I put your breath sing. Some girl them a talk, but they goggle, them a goggle, them a goggle, them a goggle. Deep throat, girl, them a goggle, them a goggle, goggle, them a goggle. Banana throat, girl, goggle, them a goggle. Deep throat, girl, them a goggle, them a goggle. Banana throat, girl, goggle, them a goggle, goggle, them a goggle, goggle, them a goggle, goggle, them a goggle. Banana throat, girl, goggle, them a goggle.
So you goggle it like that, you know? Yeah, good day.
Yeah.
I tell you now, go sit and go on the bed. I don't want to.
I change from lady mistress to lady dream, isn't it? Yo. I'm in there, you know. The troublemaker. Yeah. Goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Deep throat, girl, them a goggle, them a goggle. Man smile at them like a fool, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle. Banana throat, girl, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Banana throat, girl, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. She say me ugly and she pretty like a model. Man in a throat, them a play the goggle. Girl say they pretty but you know them now. Me say goggle them big goggle, them big goggle, them big goggle. Come goody goody, me say come from the ring. Come I want to me say come do your thing. And if it's smelly and I put your breath sing. Some girl them a talk but they can't come up. And them a goggle, them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Deep throat girl, them a goggle, them a goggle. Man smile at them like a fool, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle. Banana throat girl, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Banana throat girl, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Open up your throat girl, tell me what you find. Catch no man and your damn bad mind. Them a try stop me life, stop me appetite. Right up me set, them a call it time. If I cannot swallow and she can't get a time, get up every day and then damn bad mind. But I goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Girl inna me face like a machine want me goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Deep throat girl, them a goggle, them a goggle. Man smile at them like a fool, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle. Banana throat girl, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Banana throat girl, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Them a talk and them a big accent, goggle in them throat and that a accent. One man come and another one left. When me get talk and the one of them a vex, them a goggle, goggle, goggle. Banana throat girl a goggle, goggle, goggle. Body what you have like a ass in a saddle, in a saddle, in a saddle, in a saddle, 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 saddle. She say me ugly and she pretty like a model. Man in a throat, them a play the good double. Girl say them pretty but you know them now. Let me say goggle, them big goggle, them big goggle, them big goggle. Come goody goody, me say come from the ring. Come I want to me say come do your thing. And if it's smelly and I put your breath sing. Some girl them a talk but they goggle, them a goggle, them a goggle, them a goggle. Deep throat girl, them a goggle, them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Banana throat girl, goggle them a goggle. Deep throat girl, them a goggle, them a goggle. Banana throat girl, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Banana throat girl, goggle them a goggle.
Come on, you do it again, you. All of it, computer girl. See the computer girl.
Yeah.
Oh, bitch. Oh,
I change from lady Mr. to lady dream.
I just love to do it too.
Yo.
I love you all. I love you all. I love you all.
Troublemaker.
Give it a twist.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Goggle dem a goggle. Goggle dem a goggle. Leave short girl dem a goggle dem a goggle. And smile at them like a fool. Dem a tackle, dem a tackle, dem a tackle, dem a tackle, dem a tackle. Banana short girl. Goggle dem a goggle. Goggle dem a goggle. Goggle dem a goggle. Goggle dem a goggle. Banana short girl. Goggle dem a goggle. Goggle dem a goggle. She say me ugly and she pretty like a model. Man in a short dem a create the good. Girl say they pretty but you know them. Good me say come on the ring. Come I want to me say come do your thing. And if it's smelly and I put your producing. Some girl them a talk but they can't go. And them a goggle, them a goggle. Goggle, them a goggle. Man smile at them like a fool. Them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle. Banana short girl, goggle, them a goggle. Goggle, them a goggle. Goggle, them a goggle. Goggle, them a goggle. Banana short girl, goggle, them a goggle. Goggle, them a goggle. Open and your short girl, tell me what I find. Catch no man, I got young man mine. Them a try stop me like stop me all the time. Right up me say, them a call it time. If I can a swallow and she can't get a line. Get up every day for the can't bad mind. But I goggle them a goggle. Goggle them a goggle. Girl inna me face like a machine what we goggle. Goggle them a goggle. Goggle them a goggle. Leave short girl, them a goggle, them a goggle. Man smile at them like a fool. Them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle. Banana short girl, goggle them a goggle. Goggle them a goggle. Goggle them a goggle. Goggle them a goggle. Banana short girl, goggle them a goggle. Goggle them a goggle. Them a talk that them a big accent. Goggle in them short and that a accent. One man come and another one left. When me get talk at the one of them a vex. Them a goggle, goggle, goggle. Banana short girl a goggle, goggle, goggle. Body what you have like a ass in a saddle, in a saddle, in a saddle, in a saddle, 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 saddle. She say me ugly and she pretty like a muggle. Man in a short them a play the good goggle. Girl say them pretty but you know them now. When me say goggle, them big goggle, them big goggle, them big goggle. Come goody goody, me say come from the ring. Come I want to me say come do your thing. And if it's smelly and I put your producing. Some girl them a talk but they goggle, them a goggle, them a goggle, them a goggle. Deep short girl, them a goggle, them a goggle. Goggle, them a goggle. Banana short girl, goggle, them a goggle. Deep short girl, them a goggle, them a goggle. Banana short girl, goggle, them a goggle. Goggle, them a goggle. Goggle, them a goggle. Goggle, them a goggle. Banana short girl, goggle, them a goggle.
To them Bud Light.
Yeah. I'm a change from lady Mr. to lady dream. You see me? Yo. I'm in there, you know. I'm the troublemaker. Yeah. Goggle them a goggle. Goggle them a goggle. Leave short girl, them a goggle, them a goggle. Man smile at them like a fool. Them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle. Banana short girl, goggle them a goggle. Goggle them a goggle. Goggle them a goggle. Goggle them a goggle. Banana short girl, goggle them a goggle. Goggle them a goggle. She say me ugly and she pretty like a muggle. Man in a short them a play the good goggle. Girl say they pretty but you know them now. Me say goggle them big goggle, them big goggle, them big goggle. Come goody goody, me say come from the ring. Come I want to me say come do your thing. And if it's smelly and I put your producing. Some girl them a talk but they can't come. And them a goggle, them a goggle. Goggle, them a goggle. Deep short girl, them a goggle, them a goggle. Man smile at them like a fool. Them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle. Banana short girl, goggle, them a goggle. Goggle, them a goggle. Goggle, them a goggle. Goggle, them a goggle. Banana short girl, goggle, them a goggle. Goggle, them a goggle. Open and your short girl, tell me what you find. Catch no man and your damn bad mind. Them a try stop me like stop me all the time. Right up me say, she want me goggle. Goggle them a goggle. Goggle them a goggle. Deep throat girl them a goggle them a goggle. Man smile at them a like a fool. Them a tackle them a tackle them a tackle them a tackle them a tackle. Banana throat girl goggle them a goggle. Goggle them a goggle. Goggle them a goggle. Goggle them a goggle. Banana throat girl goggle them a goggle. Goggle them a goggle. Them a talk and them a pretend set. Goggle in them throat and that a text set. One man come and another one left. When me get talk and the one of them a vex. Them a goggle goggle goggle. Banana throat girl a goggle goggle goggle. Body what you have like a ass in a saddle, in a saddle, in a saddle, in a saddle, 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 saddle. She say me ugly and she pretty like a muggle. Man in a throat them a play the good goggle. Girl say them pretty but you know them now. When me say goggle them big goggle, them big goggle, them big goggle. Come goody goody me say come from the ring. Come I want me say come do your thing. And if it's smelly and I put your pretty sing. Some girl them a talk but they goggle them a goggle, them a goggle, them a goggle. Deep throat girl them a goggle, them a goggle. Goggle them a goggle. Banana throat girl goggle them a goggle. Deep throat girl them a goggle, them a goggle. Banana throat girl goggle them a goggle. Goggle them a goggle. Goggle them a goggle. Goggle them a goggle. Banana throat girl goggle them a goggle.
Yo. Yo. A different version of saying.
Goggle them a goggle. Goggle them a goggle. Deep throat girl them a goggle, them a goggle. Man smile at them like a fool. Them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle. Banana throat girl goggle them a goggle. Goggle them a goggle. Goggle them a goggle. Goggle them a goggle. Banana throat girl goggle them a goggle. Goggle them a goggle.
Gone to doctor for design the body. The girl come and she look it kind of funny. Like a donkey, like a donkey, in a saddle, in a saddle, in a saddle, in a saddle, in a saddle. Girl come and design the body. Come back and she look it kind of funny. Those are things I didn't get to use. Things I didn't get to use, like a lot of stuff I didn't get to use. So I don't know, maybe I make a next one, second version after finish out. There's only so much red one song can run, honey. It's not like your throat, honey. Honey, it's not like your throat. It's just so many words, one song. I know your throat can fit more than a song words. I know this. You don't have to tell me. I do know this, honey. Much love and respect to all the ladies, all the gentlemen, all the goodies, all the baddies and everybody. Oh, you damn you Satan. It's a Slido Fox. But if I catch you, I put you in that goddamn box. Bro, lock that box. I'm so with you because I know you ain't no friend of me. Who you want to be converted? You're not supposed to sit up here, you know. No, no, no. Then I think that is right. Right now, I'm sitting up here, friend. I don't know why sit and choose to play with me. I tell the truth, because right now, I don't even see my fork. I know I put on the fork and it's sitting. I'm hungry now, man. Come on. Why I gotta go look for that no more? I don't know what that was right here. I don't see it. I don't know where to find no more because you got to buy it on the road. That's the problem right now. I don't know where it could be, man. Don't want anybody else gonna complain. No anybody ever come complain. I kind of not wasting for me now. I'm sure I'm going to put on the seat. Right? Can I go to the kitchen and look better about it? I don't know. I think True Light, the ghost can go on with it. Because True Light, because I don't know why it could have disappeared and go. I don't know. I don't eat food hot like one time in the morning. I learn to stop eating hot food in my stomach. But pineapple not bother me tonight because of late again. Pineapple, salmon. And I bet if people in style, I just like it taste and I can't reach it right now. So I just make it because, you know, I have salmon here. You know. God, I know this is going to be so good. Oh, whoa. Wait a minute, girl. Don't jump so fast, Mrs. Salmon Head. You want the head? A long time I need a salmon head. Put the head in it. But enough that I know pineapple and sweeten up the thing because I don't eat all the kale, so I need all the pineapple. Also go with it. Oh, make it sweet up the kale. One to you. Baby love, come on, gravy. Spread your wings. Spread your wings, darling. Spread your wings, darling. Spread it all out. Down with the yellow yam there. I think I'm going to overeat tonight. I'm going to want overnight tonight. I'm going to see tonight. It's a special night. Don't think this is my fork. Well. They're too high up, man. So, I'm going to put my yellow yam here. I'm going to yellow yam. I mean, I don't have yellow yam, I'm going to sleep tonight. I tell you the truth, I'm going to sleep tonight. I'm not lying. Because nobody knows what tomorrow going to bring. I'm not lying to your sister. I'm not lying to your sister. I think one of the cancel on the life. When they come tell you, well, tell me tonight, then I'm going to eat some steamed fish tomorrow, because I want them feel feed. When you come and take it, tell him, say, no, man. I'm going to feed some steamed fish and some sitting, man. You know, so nobody take me now, but next time. You know? When they come, I sickness come in their mouth, sometimes I try to avoid sickness too. You know, we eat them, kill out the parasite, man, clean out the stinking shit out of your gut, you know, eat like greens. So when you eat, you can't eat, and you know, you keep flushing out while you're eating. I just think now, but one time it used to. I used to eat a lot of meat. It used to, but not anymore because I eat a lot of greens now. Fish. God is wonderful, isn't He? It's great. Hallelujah, somebody. Sugar daddy, I know you're mad because your money ain't buying yellow yam, honey. Your money ain't buying no kale and happy boy to say, oh, you ate a good dinner last night. No. Thanks to me, right? Me give your money bright. You can't give me on my back and use me. You're older than me and I don't hold already. And you want to come use me. God delivered me years ago. Thank you, Lord. You know what I don't understand is some other man? No disrespect. I'm not married. I'm going to go to the road and look front. I'm trying to stick on for the girl out the door and I complain like when the girl them know do what you want and feel like our own wife. When the damn out order. But the damn out order is not your wife. You don't marry to the woman. You get a little front from the woman and sitting and your wife, you're not married to her. If you go start to her, do this and do it in a car, I check what she had while you have your wife, your yard, we go back at night time, go sleep too. And to the car, shilling and pence, we have the woman can't buy house, can't buy car. Can't serve her for your amount of time. Like a bit of shilling and pinch, I go and like say I got off a cross, you know, take off a woman, please. So as I hear, if you watch me every time, I know that, I know you're obsessed. But remember, I got money, me and you, I'm in a kill. We're good, them bless me and buy a cream with me for. And then bless me pan here, not you. This is not coming from the stinge of your for your body. This is from the goodies them who are supporting and buying. The last time Robert sent me $25. I never like the chicken wing, but I know I'm not upset, you understand? I know I'm going to donate again for Kayla or Fisher or something next time. Well, to the music, because no matter the music, I know I'm going to rather say, alright, go to put the store on the music. You know, I have to respect people who try to help me, you know, I can't disrespect them. You know, if they say something I don't like, I'm not going to disrespect them, you know. Everybody say this is sometime, but I'm not going to have it up in the heart and do all kind of stupidness and disrespect people. Because it's a simple thing, we all just human beings. If somebody took up $10, $20, anything, so they come get the hard earning money, they don't have to do it. People don't want to get 50 cents on the roadside, trust me. So you have to appreciate people's effort. If anybody want to even look out for you again and say, boy, well, you know, or say, man, make you move from you, so if I feel for the last time, you disrespect me and all them things. You don't do that. Sometimes if somebody says something you don't like or so, just pass you and go on because the person mean more to you than what them say. You know what I mean? The end of the day is real life, you know what I mean? So you can't, you know, it's true, good, it's true. Put everything by your head and destroy people who really care about you. I don't care if nobody wants to say who like it, if their business, who don't like it, or their business. No, sir? Banana song a shot. But I'm going to tell you the truth. Nowadays have to be very careful, yo. It's a damn joke with these men and them out there. Have their wife cock up in the house. Put her in a house or put her in an apartment. Then pay the rent every month. Nothing wrong with that, them supposed to. Them supposed to. I don't know wife, not there with them for 10 years. Them supposed to cover the wife. And don't matter. Sure what my leg or not. But them not decent for them wife, don't decent for them wife. They want the woman to walk up anytime they want. And then go up and cheat if the woman don't like it, they still want the woman to walk up on top of that. Listen, I'm not telling nobody to leave them wife, but God put me out there to experience certain things. So at the end of the day, I can't talk and want the truth, I talk. So at the end of the day, I don't care who want to care, it's the truth. I can't put somebody on. I can put the man for now, make them know. I been there, done that good, I know what I talk about. Them no good. When I just meet you, you look good enough. You don't look nobody, you go about your business. You rush out in that traffic. Sometimes them park all them car, I get ticket for running down back of you. Girl, it's so good. Damn. You know? Look damn good, man, you know? Then run off them out and say. And take time with them look at shit and you like to go shopping, you want to go shopping, you want to this. Take out money, I give you $100, you never know the person. I pull it in. I tell them I pull it in and you don't know, you know. Because some boy is a good fisher, make it a big fisher. It's easy, just to give money, so you never want more, you might give so much money. That means they done, boy, you get a lot of money. You realize? I never fail. When I realize me there, I never fail. Food nice, can done. It's nice, got the hot pepper and the pineapple pieces with the fish, kind of sweetish. It really get a good flavor. You understand, Goody? That's the thing with these men, because when go outside and look wife treatment from the girl them out the road. The girl them out and look good and buy up them nice clothes and enjoy them life, and some of them now don't live man live house with, because most of them women there, they done with man already. They not have time with that it is. And then the girl they always look good and sitting and always up to, because they're not joking, you know. And when they see them around, man, they put up on them. Then put up on them. And take time and front on them, and take time because you live alone. They like when you live alone. They like when you see you're not picking your own and just you alone. And start to text it by you. Start to call every minute. Put up on your house. Ring all your bell without you know the person that come there and them out of this. That's what they do. They don't ask you no question. Just drive right up on your house and ring a bell. Once you have them talk. Sugar Daddy come to my house on farms. I thought about years ago, when I was young. I said, I go warm coffee for him. I said something in my house. That means a lot of things about the mother upstairs. What's him putting in the house? Some people now have nothing better for do sometime. I want to say. I recorded. Record everything me at all. I said I go warm up burger. And take you out and go in the van and go play it. When he called me on the phone, when he said, listen to this, me and my whole conversation and turn up in the man van, loud no speaker, out of this. This is really good. And these things you gotta look out for recording. Hide in your bed. Them hide in the closet, sometimes they hide camera. You know your place. I watch you and all them something there. Them out of order. I'm telling you. With him, it was the worst experience I ever experienced my whole entire life. It taught me a lot. Man, a man from Pint in Trinidad, dangerous from Pint in Trinidad. Come from Pint. Me selling choppers count out the boy. Choppers count out the easy so in Point there. The man and them like mash it and thing by. Chop you up just so. We eat this. Get the apple. I enjoy it so much. It's like a life to my body. Every time I bite and I eat it, like it's like I get more life in my body. I can explain it. Not just food, but I get life. You cannot feel the difference. The last couple of days, I don't eat none. So this is like my body really need it. I feel feet like I really need it. I feeling feet. So now if I go and get it, my body I feel feet a lot. I can't go without it no more. Tomorrow I buy some. Because the last amount I came, I having it for the last time. And the fridge, I use up coming out the rotten. Yeah. I left my wife at home and text it by you. Text it by you.
carry all them private business out the road, come tell you. What happened between them and their wife? What the wife a do? When the wife depend on menstrual? When son a do? When daughter a do? Just still gonna run them out. Because of like a crutches. I don't know. Then chat. Then start telling how they want them buying house and buildings and all this shit. You buy a house and building now, man, tell you get one like a $2,000 and make up nice. For help do one like a business and a woman you date and like some woman you buy and your girlfriend has gone to you, should not talk to nobody else. And you complain. Come on. Check you all done. You know? When I see them cock up them foot now, I have good treatment and rub down and go like your husband. Somebody want to put them tongue in your mouth, want to kiss you and all this thing there. When you take a wipe down their wife with, and I begs with you like you're supposed to. Like you look smarty, like you look love, you know? Man, really something else, boy. A force love by you. I feel some. Let's get her to the side. Man, I tell you, food really sweet. I'm sorry about who want vex the food sweet and rotted. But like good in them some and do everything nice. Just nice trainer, but for them over different flavor nice. Pineapple sweet. Still yellow yummy here. I'm gonna eat as much as I used to eat no more, so now my belly full. I'm gonna eat a lot that I used to eat one time no more, like one time. I'm gonna kind of top, you know what I mean? The problem is, my problem is, I like my food and who knows what tomorrow will bring. Yeah. No, Bible is probably more dry, you know? I can't go on, but it could be more dry. It's not bad though, comparing to some of them. But I don't know about a drop. So they buy it dry, they say like you want to come like powder, so I like when it dry. One time I go up on YouTube. One place in Jamaica have wood by yellow yam. If I go up on YouTube, I can Google Jamaica yellow yam. I see one man in country with a wood by yellow yam, I pack up in a van, but yellow yam look nice. My grandmother used to love yellow yam tea, you know. Oi. Oi, William. Oi, Mama. I love you all. Jamaica, big up yourself. I love you, my hometown. Guyana, big up yourself. Trinidad and Tobago. Grenada. St. Vincent. St. Lucia. St. Croix. Jamaica City. Up yourself. Connecticut. Up yourself, man. Love you all, man. One God, one nation, one love. Let God reign to your body. Live your life in love. And do what you want. If you want to do music, whatever you want to do, nobody says you can't do what you want to do. See what will happen. It takes time for you to start doing good music, I think, because I think I grow better than last year. You know, Banana Throat Girl is a hit. Not saying that the songs wasn't good, but this is a really hit. Everybody liked the song. I've never seen anything like this. Imagine when the CD done and people start to really hear it. I'm telling you, people love the song. People just love what it's saying, you know, and the way the beats sound. Man, good, we have something here, boy. Our team got something over here, man. You stick on the thing no matter what. And you know, me I come out to the next at one and a year till when they're done. When they're done in a year, like this one. You never hear nothing about it until when they're done, right? That means that I do things, right, babe? Not because you see me sometimes it means that I do nothing. You know? It's something great. It's something nice. And I'm not foolishness, so nobody don't like. Or something where people are going to remember for years to come and more. Banana Throat Girl, you know? Goggle them a goggle. You never heard a song like that before? Never. Banana Throat Girl. Never. And that's what make it different. That's what make it different. It's nice and it's different. And what it's saying is true. You know what I mean? They must stop you, they must stop you. All the time. But no, they're not collect a dime. Because it's like, you know, you're trying to something and people are stop you. And all they want is money for themselves and money for this. So they don't collect a dime. And if a girl do a swallow, she don't make a coin. Huh? Whatever, apple, banana, whatever you want to swallow. Because a fish ball is sweet. Dirty man them. Some of them have there. Want to take them body and use you. And they don't pay back to satisfy them thinking so yourself. And you walk around. You look like you're a bad person. Pepper hot, brother. Sweet roll. Pepper. Yeah, see pepper in there? Scotch for the pepper. I know. I love it too. Yeah, yum. Pepper for the yellow yum. So, wow. Yeah, man. Can I give me a flavor? We eat pepper, we eat hot pepper, pickle, roast breadfruit. I saw it tastes. You cut up the pepper them, scotch pepper them, then some red pepper too. And you put like vinegar and get the bucket of salt, map and water, or the shopkeeper more that way. And throw that in a khaki. We eat a sprinkle of that pan it. Wonderful. Pickle. Yeah. I love it too. God bless you. No, so nice. My belly fruit is so nice, I'm telling you. I wait a little and some of it is gone down, I put some more in. I don't want my belly to be so big to be eating too much one time, I'm telling you. I don't want that. I really don't want that, trust me. Let's stop now. Right now. At the edges. Damn. Maybe if my stomach before they go down. I tell you, boy. Food can't really get people pregnant. I saw one of them get chicken, I want to get them, tell them belly big, tell the man, I bring them, I bring man money. Food ain't good. No space for enough stuff, nothing else. Full. Full, brother. Full. Well, let me remember saying, it's time for dirty, man. You don't want something for exercise, but like old bicycle, they ear to you, then got a fake profile, try to insult you, then think himself. Smell like wild hog. I know, I don't know. A wild hog. Someone sleep, bro. It's the pineapple. Sad to say goodbye. It's hard to say goodbye from yesterday. Yeah. Hard to say. So yeah, you know, I'm looking for wife material for the girl I'm out the road. Girl, them just come to the country, they don't know much, you know. I'm glad to get them girl, the fresh green one, them. They come from the island, them. And get them real quick and have their wife start buy them because sitting kind of things, I think it's hard. Especially when they come into your family and stuff, come stay. And they know too much you meet and they make you stay and come like dog and meet you out the road. They know, so you're fresh from the look by you, you just came from Jamaica, you're like, yeah, you know. You think I good them, I think? Excuse me. So why she just come from Jamaica, fresh meat, we can't show her around. You know, can I call you sometime? Can I get your number? I'm calling next day. How you doing? Oh, you sound like you're bored. So you want to come out the house and go shop? I could give you some money. You want to come outside? Tell them yes and come outside now and get like a $600-700. Go ahead and shop, man. Spend it all. All of it, okay? When you come back, I'll give you some more. If you let me see, okay? And all this bullshit. That's why it's one of the things you have good man now and I say, yeah. I know good man, I see it and I fool you. I take a fire. They don't want, they go on about your business. They walk and say you're ungrateful, like you must lie on a man. You must lie on a man and not lie on a God law. You must lie on them dirty phones you and go buy for them law while them have their wife. And then can't get no satisfaction from the woman because the woman know how them stay. The woman them get turned off and tired of them cheating and the man treating them like dog. So when the woman them take care of themselves and buy them clothes and cook them food and liquor and them bed go sleep. When they want to sleep and sleep out and do all kind of shit, man, the woman must sleep comfortable in their bed. Long as you don't go and try to pull the woman leg, the woman is fine with that. But some of them know, they come like dopey. And when they go to go aunt and they with the woman, they go back and they also fight with the woman and pull the woman leg. And they just come on for the next woman out the road. Because they don't feel you should be in peace. They want to be a living pest in your life. They want to be a demon in your life. Cheating on you is not enough. To pest your life is another thing. When I see a man shot more than a woman shot, then she have a problem. And when I see a man is wearing his wife underwear, that simply means him is the wife and also the husband. Because he's wearing the woman panty. If you see a man come check and wear woman drawers and a G-string, and him have a wife beater, and him tie up the front tight, I say, no, Papa, you look touch. Oh, you look touch up, so? Why you have your shirt tie up in the front end and wear your wife G-string to the woman house for? No man over nerves, man. And then you want to come bring me down and talk things about me? You never see me go and take Vincy boy underpants and wear come check nobody. You're not going to see me go see a man and tell me go see a man and me a cheap and Vincy boy and go take a man underpants and go wear go over there? Eh? So how come a man go put on a woman G-string and wear go to see next woman? Something is wrong somewhere. And leave your cheeks them outside and talk about, am I sexy? You lose a screw somewhere, Dada. Don't come on here and try to bring me down because I'm living a clean life and I'm not insane. I believe in God and I believe in the talent that God gave me. I can do my music and somehow, God is going to make a way. And God is making the way. I am not here for nobody to come and rub up and wind up and trick, tell all kind of sitting. I expect me to tell us I love you too and play all kind of games and you drive me, drop me there, so pick me up like me. Not them kind of thing there. Because any minute your vehicle can drive and it just crash and me just dead like that. And I wouldn't want to die like that the next day a sugar daddy I commit adultery and been sin and with the evil and somebody you don't even like that. You go dead right next to them. That's the worst death you can get. You know, in a sugar daddy vehicle and there's some mad vehicle next thing, you crash and you're dead. You know what I mean? That's the worst thing to live. Nobody tell me nothing. When it comes to God, I believe. And most of the people when they don't believe and I talk about a bullshit and when you don't believe, them suffer more than the regular people. Them suffer. Nothing them do not reach. No matter what them write or what them do, you don't come to success. But you will believe you come to success, but they will still tell us it's bullshit you believe in. That's what I don't understand. What is the bullshit me believing in? It make my life better. It making my life rise. And it doing a lot for me. Right? So me believe in it and it do something for me. See your life will go with me. Maybe you should I believe in it too. That's how I see it. You know, say piece of yellow yam, that's what taught me. And yellow yam nice, you know. Really nice. Yeah, I'm really good. God bless me. I can't brush my teeth and go there and my crutch is comfortable asleep. I'm not worried who come pull me over and I want to sleep. I'm going to be a vintage boy and I want to sleep. I want to see me sleep. I pull me and wake me up like I have service to get up and out of my sleep. Slave. Oh. That's okay. I'm really feeling that you never sleeping up to nothing. You have things for your mind and make your life better and somebody treat you bad. And next then come and roll and squeeze and a thing like that. You know what I mean? And I wake out your sleep and I shake you and I actually tell you wake you. And you must have to wake up. Sometimes I don't wake up. Just kiss my teeth and just hammer with my freaking elbow like, yo, leave me alone. You know what I'm saying? And when that happen, sometimes even bother go work, you're supposed to go work, you know bother go. War is on. I'm gonna suffer now. When I go work, when the alarm clock go off and go work, you just touch your shit off your back and lie down. I'm not dying finger work, you know. Get like a piece. 6 o'clock and get up. You sit up. on the bed and look through your phone. And look at me from the sideways, look at me nasty. You know? Yeah? Start make up nice, turn up the TV loud and sit me wake up. So make you can't sleep neither. Then up for like a while. Go to the road. Kind of strong buy a sandwich. Build up him cliff. Smoke it up. Drinking coffee. Sit at the corner, sit down. Smoke now, smoke now. And turn around and say, yo, when you live in my place, girl, I want to know when you live in my house. You know, if somebody coming here now, I want to do stuff. Alright? This is not my woman. If you're my woman, anything I want for him, I can get. Anytime I want. So, last night, I tried to touch on things. Hammer me off with the elbow. So what I have to tell you today, you can call the police, you can do anything you want to do. But you know what I'm going to do just now? I ain't gonna bother tell you. I'm going in toolbox and get out. I used to eat that something there all the time. Why something name again, I used to eat it? Why something name again? Where you used to screw out the screw them and sitting. And you can plug in and you put it on the screw and it zzz. So when you get that something there now, you go zoom and take out the lock and take out the lock out of the door. I say, you wanna call police, go ahead. I didn't lock you out, I just take off my lock off my own damn door. So you stuff them open, everything open. But if I go out and I come back, I find all my clothes and my shoes and something in the corner of the kitchen, the heap up in the corner of the kitchen. Boy take off work just for that, you know. Just for my elbow and say no. That's why you see when I live with some people. You know? Nothing I go on, you know. That's why I go for make help for yourself. I try to help myself. And that's why you see me I do my song and do my something and continue to help myself. You understand? Continue to help myself and believe in myself. Because if you don't, people is going to use you. People is going to abuse you. People not going to care about you. You know? You have to care about yourself. And you care about others too. But you also have to care about yourself. You know? If you're going to be with a man and him love you and you love him, you got to be somebody you want and them want you. Not somebody will have somebody in them life to have to go home to every night. And somebody that you forgot exchange your body with without protection and out the door so dangerous nowadays. You know? So, at the end of the day, I wouldn't encourage anybody. Pineapple, I'm sweet. See? Yeah. You know what I mean? They're gonna hate me, you know. I'm going to have back in front and full up with him friend and make a rally go up on my line and press 8. But me are clear. In the days, you can't get nothing from me. In the days, me not beg him nothing. I'm not with no obligation. I live a life that I have story to tell. About woman, about man, and this world itself. So I'm telling you now, to me see it. Me hardly trust people not at all. But when some people come and block people up on Facebook, start making group of when people and talk all kind of crap. The money dirtiest one. Nastiest one. Trust me. A jealous man is like a hungry wolf. A jealous man is like a hungry wolf. You know, so sweet me when I go and start eating again. I don't like to. I never realized that treat tastes good enough. I think it tastes good. It tastes good, I make it, I realize. It's good though, it's really good, I'm not lying. Jay said perfect when you eat flamingo. Perfect. He said perfect. One thing I can cook. Good food. Awesome. I love you guys. I love you all too. God bless you too. R333. Love you too. Rob, much love, much respect, all of you. I don't know what that sign means, but good night. Tracy, good night. Tia, good night, Tia. Queen, good night, Queenie. Angie, good night. Megan, good night. Fatima, good night, Joy. Nia, good night. Yeah. Brian, good night, Brian. Braham, good night. Donna, good night, Donna. Lisa, good night. Simpson. Yeah, Rob, bless up, good night as well. I'm going to brush my teeth and sit and go on my bed. Yeah, tomorrow. But like I said to you, don't be frightened for no money from him, man up and down. If you want to be better, be the person when I have nothing good in your heart, happy with him. And you love him. Nobody come fool you, go home to them wife, and I tell go home to them woman and have a panic and catch you up. I take them dirty tongue when you take a wipe out and the people are dog in your mouth, in your throat. I wipe when your body them nasty mouth. When them take a walk all about like when them suck. A Jamaica used to buy suck. I see when them mouth and they suck like suck. I don't want to take them out and dab in your mouth, dab in your throat because they can buy one like a long pack of Indian. You have to know what I did. When you in your mouth because you have pack of Indian here, your life become worse. But then I'm going to be nasty mouth. Come like when fall of yards span their mouth. I come to come dragging about why you can't kiss me. I told you, why you don't love me? You're supposed to be my woman. Nobody tell us, look, man. You can't get a woman like money, you get a woman like money. You go like a Jesus Christ, you call her for the cross. Like you want a woman for love. You know, someone who old and crank up. Not even Viagra couldn't save the phone of your life. But you know, still a boss, try boss up woman around. You want a younger woman to look good too. You know? And go on like so, a young man and you know? Like a bad man and a young man and can't manage things. Some of the women don't want to go to them, nobody soon or don't walk on the road. Can't you dry up? Dry up like when the color left outside in the sun too long. Kalalo. Of course. You see me go there, go pan and the man come and start to dry down and like shimmy darling tree. Me not do it. No man good at them out of order and fantastic. I'm telling you. Yes, somebody will get like money back like a Jesus. They want everybody to see with them to bring no shame for you. When Sugar Daddy used to walk and go hotel and go in, he might walk, put in all ears ring in his ears. We don't know when the man go bore him ears. And a Poco church, he used to go, you know, and the wife then throw white rice and oil and kill ram goat and drink the blood same time and all. I say, I took a cacao. I want to suffer some bug that I stop my blood. And him send up here after me. Well, after I know so I love the Lord so much, the man box me in the face to me and pray. Because the man decides to want to ride my body and upon my body and mess up to God to deliver me because of Satan I ride me. I know a Satan. That are not human being as Satan because he shine and he wicked and he cheat on his wife and he having nerve to come slap me in my face. Lord, me know it was the devil face to face I was with. And I start to pray to the Lord. And I said, Lord, deliver me. And I start to speak to God. Next thing I know, one slap in my face the man give me. And jump up. And say, look, you see how my banana gone dead? Look, because I pray to God, my banana gets soft. That son of a gun. Let me tell you something. But the Lord said was going to deliver me. You will go through a lot, you know. And girl, me don't have nothing with us there. I pray to God. And, God has shown me the way and God me come to a nice song everybody like. So that we kind of help me for yam food and help myself. Make a next eat one and just continue. You know what I mean? But child, me I tell you, say, it was a struggle to get away from those parasites. Those people are so parasitic in your soul, baby. I don't know how to explain to you how them stay so. Yeah, so wicked set a drunk on the pirate, you know. Them the drunk on the boy when they drive blanco blow nose. Them wicked and some of these big crutches who them lie. Them ready to come gossip about me, I look a little hype. And then walk and take man till them face pretty but them body hollow inside like a old tree. You see old tree inside right now? And some of them face pretty, you know. But when you go downstairs, them have a hollow. A gully hole for you fall in a butt and a gully back down there. A gully hole. Master, let me tell you something. When me I try, me not worry about a soul. Who want to jealous sugar daddy, sugar Abby, the whole out. My sister near Abby, when me say sugar daddy, sugar Abby, the whole out. Oh no come. Because if you never see me somebody mad, a human being mad like Sensefall, I can get mad like a goddamn Sensefall. There's time and place for every goddamn thing. Oliver team, we have the hot song going on our team. And we want to make money so we can help other women in whatever they're doing. So they could get away from all the stingy sugar daddy. Stingy, smell sugar daddies. See, sugar daddies, they drive around looking for a woman to look for love. And they acting like they dying, like, my wife is treating me bad. Things are not great in my house. If you're a man enough, things is going to be great in your house. If you're a gentleman, not a sissy that wearing your wife draws to my house, you're not going to be having any problem. But when you start to steal her underwear, and you're cheating, and you're wearing them, that will make anybody upset. I mean, speak the truth, goody. Wouldn't you be upset that your husband cheating on you? But not just cheating on you. He's actually wearing your underwear to go out and cheating on you. And it's the tongues. Oh, my Lord. We're in heaven's earth. You must say something about New York City. Welcome to the Big Apple. Where you see that? That if my girlfriend and that thief, their mother drives her and sister drives her away. They buy them own thing. And him is not gay. So if you're a straight man, why you do it for? And then you ask for la good. And me give you la code. So we had something to write in a some kind of suspect. That's a baby. Some kind of suspect. Something to write with your Hollywood, baby. Me not know about that. Me I tell you the truth. You like you're touching some from a godly way. I don't know. But I have done the best I can. And when I rebuke the devil, you slap me down. You remember when you slapped me down and break that buckle to stop me up? You goddamn you and shoving me to shove me down in the bathroom. You want to kill me in the people in place. And the manager come out and say, don't you ever come back here. And they call the police by here, drive fast. Oh, yeah. Don't forget it, because I don't forget nothing, man. I don't forget nothing. For all I know, you're the one who steal my citizenship and my social out of my place because you're wicked. Are you bad mind? Are your head now going to ear? And that's why you pray talk about you send me picture when you was young. I print out picture upon computer with head and ears when you young. When you print out picture in a black and white, when you're young, you have ear for God say, to me say man with ear look good. But I'm gonna go to the ear people. And then he called me one day and tell me, if I got the ear people, I'm gonna implant ear. I know the implant, not even one strand. Just looking for some attention.
Not even one strand of hair left. Go downtown, go make one pair of teeth. My teeth, them there up and work for me now. I'm going to for wait. I'm going to make teeth downtown. I think I tap teeth them. My dear. So honey, I got a surprise for you. I'm gonna come and see you. When the man come out of the man start to laugh from far. I wonder what make him so happy my laugh so. When we go up close, I see the man have one big old ass teeth in his mouth. The teeth was so big that they poke out the man more. The teeth them big. And I swear, he was about to give me a so-so draw for 10,000. And that's why I was nice to him and said, honey, the teeth are too big, you have to take them back. You know? If I wasn't to get a damn so-so, I would never told you them damn teeth is too big, Daddy. You have to live with them shits, boy, like a damn horse. You like a damn donkey asking your teeth. I wouldn't have tell you anything. But guess what? You're being a good guy, making sure I got my 10,000 susu. I have enough eyes for you, too. So I tell you, honey, they're not too good, you know. Take them back. Let the doctor know they look like horse teeth. They're not appreciable, okay? And that's how you got the smaller one. So thank God for these beautiful eyes. They could see the mistake and fill them in. Don't try to crush me now, Daddy. Not because I ain't taking sugar. I can call it Daddy now because you're old enough to be my damn daddy. Talk about your age always going 1 year. When you 1, 2, 3 years, your ear go back 1, 2, 3 years. You like your age not age. If you're 41 this year, when next year come, you're 49, I'm 39. I never see anything like this. I know. I don't understand. Backwards every time. For your age go up, it'll go backwards. I said, damn, you're getting younger every time. Age is going down instead of go up. Let me tell you, honey. And he's like, yeah. You know, it's not that. You know, you forgot. And you know, you're much older now. You know, you like, just now you're going to be 47. And one day, me go something to write me age, me realize that the wrong age me I put. When the man I tell me, forget me age and think like me this old person, the man beat me down and destroy me. Me I tell you, girl, you don't know the half of it. Me used to the crabble house, them I try breed up on my front. Me used to them. A lot of them, you know, have no mind and guts for me, you know. Them just put in the best outside and them eat me and go back on my back go labba like a labba pa me and talk all kind of shit and I realize just because them cannot get my flesh. You see, they like the snake in the garden and my body is like the apple and them want to take a bite. Them want what? No. I'm not going to take a bite. Oh, no. Let me tell you. Let me tell you something, honey. I know how that shit works, boy. I know how it works. Yup. Don't let nobody come fool you and pretty you up and this and that. The whole time it was nice, and humble sometimes, I really never like the idea. I when I want something. I know me I get my thing. Other times, but after a while I give up on it and say, go, me don't want to fry you. Me don't want to sin and live clean life. And when I start to rebuke, you know, you talk about your banana get soft and lick me in my face. But God help me that it is still give me some money and I could have gone with that. I'm rather take the lick more than that. But that was good. Because when God start to work with you, everything out of your life will go change. Everybody go against you. Some of them will really hate you, but it just changes in your life. Your life have to take that change. It can't remain the same. So one hate and another wrong, make them hate you. Just make a better step in your life. And that's it. I don't care who I hate there. Me not care who hate me, no. God, at the end of the day, God love me and God love you and God love all of us. So we just in this world expressing ourselves. That's all it is. If you want to come over here and run your stinking crotch, I understand that. But if you have your own line, and you can do your own live, you don't have to come over here and run your sour crotch. You don't have to come over here and run your cottage cheese scratch to act like you're big and better than me, because this is my crap, and you have no reason to come over here and try to put me down or try to disrespect me when you have your own stuff. Y'all are so beautiful, but you're very hollow inside. You know you hollow inside because Hollywood take it all. You hollow inside, baby. You hollow inside. What happened to you? Look like a plucked chicken, honey. You hollow inside. Who was your best friend? Dick on his body. Who was your best friend? Dick in his body. You hollow inside, honey. Like a plucked chicken, like a damn plucked turkey. You got a big old hole inside your body. Where you taking all these here, honey? Oh, no, baby. You ain't gonna come over here and try to confront me, honey. I'ma blow some steam right up your ass. You think it's a dynamite I just light and let you out running on the goddamn block. Honey, let me tell you. You just don't know me, baby. You just don't know me, baby. I was cut up for goddamn this, boy. I was cut up for this from the day I flipped to my mama, whether she was tight or she was loose. I tell you, from the day I come to this world, baby, y'all ain't gonna got me confused, but I tell you this. When you come to this side, you come this page on this side here, you gonna show some respect, honey. You gonna show some respect, darling. And you ain't gonna hop off this. This is not like your back. These niggas be rapping on you like they're trying to ride bicycle. Like when a baby trying to ride a tricycle. You ain't gonna do it, baby. You ain't gonna disrespect me over here. When you gotta look down and find where the flies are pitching now. Find where the flies are pitching, girl. Oh, no. Banana throat girl, don't come goggle on me. You're not goggle for me tonight, banana throat girl. Deep throat girl, you're not goggle for me. Yeah, you say me ugly. Are you pretty like a model? But all them boys, they have banana in your throat, doggle. Hello. Somebody tell this horse to come off of my chest and make me breathe. Hello. You forgot to your suction from man like a asthma pump down your throat. A asthma pump. Asthma pump. Swallow. Banana throat deep. Girl, you're pretty but you're hollow. Hollow inside because if a man come, then banana you swallow. No. I don't mean them call Nalo. Know the truth and know the root. Find it, baby, come and know the truth. Y'all in your old bunch of niggas and girls you talk about your groupie group. Y'all sucking and seeding shit to your tooth. Girl, don't try to stop me. Ain't a gun and a cock gon' shot gon' catch me. Remember, bitch, cause God got me. All your talking still ain't stress me. Goggle, banana throat, girl, goggle, yaffy, goggle. You say me ugly and you pretty like a model. Money now your throat, them a play a diggle doggle. Girl say she pretty but, boy, nothing now happen. If something happen, will come on your throat a diggle doggle. Nothing now go on for you then. Girl say she pretty. Nothing now happen. Money now throat, them a play a diggle doggle. Diggle doggle. One joke out, one joke in. Diggle, doggle. One joke out, one joke in. Diggle, doggle. And as some say, no baby, not me. Google in your throat. Tell me what you find. You take too much man and you're damn bad man. Hello. And tomorrow we're going to play the music again, you know. Goggle with a goggle. Goggle with a goggle. Banana throat girl, goggle them a goggle. Goggle them a goggle. Man smile at them like a fool, them a cackle, them a cackle, them a cackle, them a cackle, them a cackle. Banana throat gal, gaggle, them a gaggle. Deep throat gal, them a gaggle, them a gaggle. Gaggle, them a gaggle, gaggle, them a gaggle. Banana throat gal, gaggle, them a gaggle. Deep throat gal, them a gaggle, them a gaggle. She said me ugly and she pretty like a model. Man in a throat, them a play digger dagger. Gal said she pretty, but you know in a me say gaggle, them fi gaggle, them fi gaggle, them fi gaggle. Come goody goody, me say come farm the ring. Come aisle back, me say come do your thing. All if it's smelly and we a bring this thing. I want to the girl, gaggle pon this in your throat, baby. Are you, bitch? I wanna box a bitch with this shit, bitch. I wanna back. Oh, bitch. Get off my line, you. You pay for nail. Why you don't like nail? Come on, my shop. You don't like nail today. You come my shop like this, you call police. You prostate, you people coming to close my shop. You don't like nail broke. Why you come here? Get on my shop, you come here. Why you come here? Eh? You black people, me no like. You come in, you broke nail, you come in. Get my shop, no, fix nail. On my shop. You come here again, talk about your nail broke. On my shop. Somebody call police. On my shop. On my shop, you coming out. Come out, my shop. No, do nail. On my shop. You go, my shop. No, do nail. We do nail you yesterday. You go, boyfriend. You broke nail, you come in here. You want to make problem for my shop. You want to close my shop. People protesting everywhere about my shop. You don't do nail. Come on my shop. Don't do nail. Do nail for you. You don't like nail? I do nice nail. You don't like nail? You come out my shop. You don't do nail. Out my shop now. Out my shop now. You come my shop, you wanna do nail. You make problem here. Make police come in. Come my shop, you do nail. It's my spoon, you know. I don't know who has a problem with my shit, because I surely don't, baby. I surely don't, honey. Honey, do you? I love you. Bitch. I love you. I'm going to bed tonight again, lonely night. When the pillow gonna call me out. I'm smoking those butts and smoking so high, but yes, I'm still alone. Baby, when you come over, baby, and lick me with a tongue. Where we get wet until I sweat and lick me till it never done. Oh, singing this song on the note, baby. I wonder if you're gonna come. Jump in the taxi, baby, at my door. I'ma let you make me till I come. You never know the story. Yesterday find my glory. Tomorrow will come again, baby. I gotta be the loving. Singing this song, but I know it's done. I'm gonna be lonely again. I only have food to eat, my dear, cause food is my damn best friend. Matter what you say to me, my girl, I'm gonna be the same I am. I'm gonna keep eating this damn food. I'm gonna nab the yellow yam. Who wanna say, hooray? Jamaica, that's where I'm from. I'm gonna be trying to start my baby. Just can't understand. After singing this song tonight, my girl, I'm gonna wash my face so clean. You got fish eye on the eyelash them. Gotta get them right off. Bitch, keep looking in country size. When you look at me so beautiful in my eyes. Bitch wanna eat me, make them cry. And I say, oh, why? It's been a long time for me, baby. My belly ain't roll no more. My titty they coming through my belly. Man, that shit is grown. But it is getting longer and longer, and the nipple they're parting down. Time is coming all around. Mother Nature is a bitch. When it's sitting in the eye, they shine their eyes, and the toonies start to twitch. And it's down, they call me a voodoo woman. They summon up the woman. Cause when they look on the wall and they see the ghost, they cannot understand. One not running, one not crazy, cause know who they are. I take them to protect my house, and that's the damn truth. You wanna come and bitch and try to hate me, I get them get on you. See this time I dress up like a nun, can't you see it's true? It's right here on the wall. Wanna say hello to you? You think I'm afraid, bitch? I won't. I can say tomorrow. I can't stay tomorrow. Lonely, never nobody will let me so lonely. Huh. Never nobody could let me so lonely. I remember when I was young, I used to have it for a toy. I used to say, when I get big, I want to have my own place to myself, somebody could be my joy. But you realize the bills they keep packing up, this shit is not easy, man, it's rough. But some bitch still laying on their back while their back is tough. And all full of curse, you wanna leave me out, leave me out. Yo, listen to me. This is for the 8 of them. See the bad mind and the trait of them. Now come close, you want fake of them. The whole of them, now 8 of them. Whoa, it about the whole of them, how we rise up on the team, And the vet team and the pretty wild back and the queen, And the vet smelly man, you know what's we rise on the team, We have the Isle back and we know we have the kings and the queen. Some girl them are jealous because them don't make sense. Every time them a come, forget a man them a fi bed. Forget a send them a fi bed. Them a talk about 8 night me or something, some man a even 10. Forget a little money fi spend. Ooh, the girl a fool. Say she a broke style like one like she nice and she cool. But in a truth, man I use like a tool. Yo, shoulda know some me don't play it cool. Yo, them a come and a sit down and a chat. Some girl have a big old hole between them foot, them call it crutch. Every man come like an old pananac. Some girl a talk but them know them not tight and them well slack. Girl if you sit down in a back line, nobody come criticize. Nobody come criticize if you sit down in a black line. Some girl a talk them a fall through too or poo. How you do? Some girl a talk them a fall through too or poo. You say, what do you girl do? Because them want it loose, oh God. Hallelujah, it loose. Hallelujah, it loose. Hallelujah, foot loose. When a girl she a come with a damn bad news, me say, whoa, the girl a foot loose. The girl was she have and the whole a foot loose. Girl, you not tight, so you a foot loose. Oh, man a ride up on your body, but him done confused. Dropping on the hole and he call it foot loose. Some girl a foot loose. Drop up in the ear, girl, you can't take in ear. All the tightness of where the man have a beer. Girl, she a come, she get out of here. Foot loose. Them a jump and a go and foot loose. Like a me that you want to confuse. Well, man in your belly, then I know what to do. Cause, girl, you a foot loose. Loose them up, you have to lose them up, foot loose. Cruise them up, foot loose. Bruise them up, foot loose. No, the girl can't bruise, she a foot loose. Girl can't bruise, she a foot loose. Girl not tight enough, she a foot loose. Them a go and girl, them a foot loose. With the flag, them a foot loose. Yo, a footloose. 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 Anyways, time for me to go to my goddamn Betty Yeti. Go to the Betty. Go to the Betty, make you feel kind of ready. All them attack me, they smoking, are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Girl, fresh like a coconut jelly. Girl, me say you smooth and fresh like a coconut jelly. You know, see you, me love girl, when me rub on your belly. My body, it a smell like a key and a swelly. So if you push it real far and you push it on your body, she said she love me, giant to make it like that. I can't make a park and a song quick, you know, remember some brain is like that. Some if you use it, they mad me. And some try to use it, they go mad and start eating the garbage at the door. Because my head is like a radar inside. So I can have all kind of something just come up just like that for no reason. Just come up and start playing. It's like a radio. I play in my head and my ear, but I'm really not playing in my head now. I just in your mind. Yeah. You don't like me? You don't pay, come to fix nail hair. I tell you the other day, you go, you make trouble, you come here, police, you come here for the nail. Where we going now? Swana, follow the light. Follow the light. Follow the light. You see the light? You see the light? You see the light? What the dope they want for unite? You see the light? You see the light? You see the light? I said the dope they want for unite. You see the light? You see the light? Some girl like a dope they want for unite. Them allo inside them don't lose them tribe. Oh girl that's one name like a machine one type. You see the light? You see the light? So the dope they want for unite. You see the light? You see the light? The dope they want for unite. You see the light? You see the light? The dope they want for unite. Some girl a look in her belly and them don't have no tribe. Run up them out and still a look at stripe. When them a call up me name and what them feel like. You see the light? You see the light? Some of them darkness inside them can't find no light. You see the light? You see the light? I did up in them come for unite. You see the light? You see the light? Girl alone in her belly and she don't have no tribe. See the light? You see the light? Some of them attack you fi walk them in a darkness. Some of them by the time them cough, everything fly out. Girl alone in her body and she alone all about. They come and talk about them tight and I run up them out. You see the light? You see the light? That some girl in a darkness then can't come to light. You see the light? You see the light? Like a dopey them a come unite. See the light? You see the light? Like a dopey them a come unite. Me say light it up, light it up. When we speak the truth, make them go and with pen and paper, go write it up. Take a flight out of here, we go flight it up. When a girl done on top, me don't tight it up. When them a go and pass him out, make me make it up. See the light? See the light? Come in with some girl in the right. You see the light? You see the light? Pussy hold them feet, don't pass the mic. You see the light? You see the light? Cause some of them don't know the light. Hunger darkness, in a darkness. I with them mind straight, I did that them like. I with them like. See the light. Light we have to light up. So the roots shoot from where heart and you know we have to fuck it up. When they see the evening and them throat tight, them a cough it up. They want bury for your life and park it up. But when them attack and me ears, me cock it up. But them sit down and blame go talk it up. Me see the light, me see the light. Some of them and them can't walk the light. Me see the light, me see the light. And the dopey they want to unite. Me see the light, me see the light. Some girl don't have no. Them allow in a belly and them don't have no tribe. See the light, see the light. Some girl talk about them pretty but them don't have no heart. Yo. Every day I play wickedness and I plan and I play bad heart. Yo. But the God alone and the pureness in my heart, yeah. Me now in a darkness, I walk in a light. You see the light, we keep it right.
Can me believe in a Jesus Christ? You see me style, pass the mic. Some girl like one but them only get hype. But me talk and they show to me like. You see the light, you see the light. Girl allo in the belly don't have no tripe. You see the light, you see the light. We have to focus cause we have to bust out. Poverty and hurt in our heart, that's without a doubt. But we not go sit down and borrow and beg in America and shut we mouth. We have to scream real loud and turn up the things, make the people them sit down, make them go and run them out. Jamaica when me come from motherland and when me suffer as a little girl. Me never have no shoes to go to school and me never have no love. Sometimes when they beat me all about in, I wish me I run like a wild hog. Pray to God and look up in the blue sky cause I God alone me always have. So me always a walk in the light, to make me right. Cause you know me believe in a Jesus Christ, and the light. Some girl at time and they go and run them out. Them say them out all about them love about. And them all lava try bring you down with them dirty mouth. When I realize man I beat them all and they made them a clout. Them attack, you see the light, you see the light. Can me believe in a Jesus Christ. I make me nice, I make me nice. Tune is me walk in a light. Them say God not real, but how Satan real. Oh, you fi say God not real and Satan give us a raw deal. Some of them are going to lot for diamond and gold. Devil don't take them heart and steal. But right now when I choose confusion, man, no make me I will keep it real. Me rather stay poor and broke. More than Satan provide me work. And them a sit down and a gamble and touch island powder in a them. Them a walk all about and a rush. Them a talk about how them a get rich, how time a move fast, them a rush. But after that you see them all about a roadside. Lie down stink and fly. Can't know the reason why. Them sell a soul, make water fall out of me eye. The money now bring me down, me see the light, me see the light. Out of darkness of Jesus Christ. Some girl are bros and I talk about them tight. Oh, me I tell her say, yo, we love music, you know, we're not going to stop music because guess what? You sometimes you just feel like how you feel there. I just go with the flow. Whatever comes, just go with it. Because sometimes you get a rhythm and start make a song and you start to find yourself on the same kind of melody. And you can actually come up with a better one, you know? I just saw you go, man. Huh? Yo, we're gonna get new tune. Let me tell us after I start donate, right? I know I'm not rich, I'm not have it good, you know, but I go on like me rich. Some stuff you see me all the way, me have to like put on a long time. What I mean say, anything, you know, you want to donate because it's just, okay, this is how my stuff work, right? You will see me sit down for a while, and you might see me in the studio or whatever, right? But even though I not got me have a lot of songs, and what happens certain time now, it get to a boiling point where I have to go out and get them out. Right? Now, as I start to get out and get in that session, I start to get out, I come with better songs, you know, and better stuff. So this is the boiling point where God is like, it's time for me to step up now and God do that for me. You know? So I'm feeling more confident than before when we just start up because now it's like, me really get it, me have it, me enjoying it, you know? So I'm not going to sit down now. So whatever you want to donate, $1, it's fine. It's fine. 1 and 1 make 2, it's fine. Because of another good songs, I'm going to come up with another good one, like very good. Very good soon, but I'll make sure it's a hit. I don't like to see, most of my songs I'm going to come out always can be a hit. So I want like almost everyone to be a hit. So I have to know me sing about, but you know something nice, you know. I know I gotta go, then when the time comes, so I don't worry about it. I don't sit down and if and about what to sing. Once I get the rhythm will help me and I'll just figure it out and get it done with. Yeah, just like this one, Banana Throat Girl. When Banana Throat Girl get big, I mean, it's a people already talking about it so much. I mean, and you know, they're all about. Can you imagine when it's done and we go up on iTunes, turn up on iTunes. Alright? So I'm going to get electronic picture and stuff. So by tomorrow, we get the thing from the guy from work tomorrow, hopefully. And then it's on the iTunes. So by the next 2 days also, you can get it on iTunes. Right? And you can download for $1. Right, goodies? And so, I'm going to move on. It's not a responsibility for whatever I want to do. I'm just saying we're friends, and if you want to help me, that's the way to go. I love you guys. I don't want to keep it too much for the night. I'm going to clean up all my face. Maybe it already, and so. But my face, I will clean off all this stuff, you know, that off of my face, and so I get a good night's sleep. Get up tomorrow, and that place open tomorrow. Go down there and give the guy the money for the CDs, and give him the pictures today that I took for the cover, and that will be the next time when you get it. They'll be ready. They'll be ready after that, okay? And everything will be ready. I also have to change it from the I forgot what that thing named, that little thing. They bring the music on. I have to change it and put it on a different kind of thing them want before you can up on iTunes. Not the way they download, a different kind of download. So we'll do that one. Right? Because the one my car couldn't work because they want it. And Wave, them don't want it that way. They only want it on the Wave. So if I go back and do that. Yeah, I love you too, Goody. God bless you. God bless you. Much love and respect. The ones who are upset with me and hate me tonight and don't like me, I know tonight you're going to dream see me. And I know tomorrow when you wake up, you're still going to be seeing me. And I know you're going to be coming back here tomorrow to see me, to hate me some more. And I know after you go to sleep tomorrow and wake up, you will be coming back the following day to come and hate me. And that's how you will live your life, to pay attention and to hate me. Wow, I must be really been stressed and your stomach and a bad cold to cough off. You know, for you all to get up every day and having time to hate people like that, your life must be very sad. But I understand your life. You know, I do understand that you're not happy because, you know, I could go out here and know that I'm not happy and I know what to do to make myself happy. I know what I'm supposed to be doing and the move, making people happy, making myself happy, and just keep going. I can sit down until I get bipolar, sit down till me cramp up and messed up and people are shove me around. I have to get up, make myself laugh, just go on, have a good day today, come on today, I'm just like that. I notice as a human being, if you get up early in the morning and you start to argue with somebody or you're fussing for the whole day, you had so much stress to live for the whole entire day. If you're not to argue with nobody and just be joyful in your life, happy and do the best you can, every single day, it's going to be better for you than get up arguing with somebody every day. That's bad for your health. That is like a sickness, like you have cancer, to be putting up with that kind of argument and stress every day. Stress is a big killer because it gives you cancer, it can give you that more stuff. So I think laughing and being yourself is very important. You know, nobody's perfect, but we're still human, you know. And being yourself and making people happy, that is the greatest thing you can do because life is not promising for anyone tomorrow. So the ones who want to come in here and disrespect my goodies in here and disrespect us is because we know you have a problem. We know you have a secrets that killing you. You understand? You can't avoid to see people happy and people making jokes. You have to come in to interrupt it because you want to shove your nasty self in. Because you want to put yourself in because you're not happy where you are. You're not happy on your own page. You have to come to interrupt somebody else's life, which is rude when nobody invite you there. Nobody call you there. Nobody asking you to be here. Nobody's pushing you and cuffing you. No one is paying you. You come here out of pity. You come out here of selfishness, bad mind, and greed. And you got a bad spell in your life. And a cross is in your life. And because that demon is riding you, you have to find somewhere to get out your frustration. So you come to social media and you look for people who is alive on the page, doing a live show, so you could take your nasty cottage cheese ass to come and shove yourself in the crowd like you're a star or like you're somebody important and take over like, hello, y'all, and run coming like nobody call you. Listen to me. Banana throat girl, nobody no call you. Banana throat girl, nobody no call you. Goggle throat girl, when your throat a goggle and a Listerine, what kind of water in your throat a goggle so? What kind of slime in your throat a goggle so? Goggle it a goggle. You understand? Nobody no call you and say, hey honey, let's go honey, you're getting paid for this. This gonna be your night child. Let's go over all of it smelly. Let's go over there. Let's go girl. You know, she have to be there. You know, she's looking forward to be there. Nobody, no girl. Nobody didn't call you honey. Nobody didn't call you. Nobody don't know you. Nobody don't see you. Nobody know shit about you. Hello? No, man. Some of them too out of order and too bright. You put them in them place. So. No, because them don't know you. Them feel like they want to come put you down like a cheese itself. Some of them look like potter without no ear. Yes, some of them call them monkey. When they look like monkey without no ear. Some of them look bad, you know. Some of them look real bad. Some of them just kick them foot and then tumble and then came and get up with them overweight. Them can't get up and wait for the ambulance to come. That piece of fish left out there, so. And wait for the ambulance to come, darling. I tie a rope and pull them up from some building like Godzilla. Don't come over here and think you can spoil my wonderful joy and peace and divine from the Lord Jesus Christ, whom I believe in. Someone who crutches rank bad like a boahog. Yes, who crutches rank like a boahog. And someone who have something in them, I don't know what it look like, but you know want to take on blackmail people, come show me in them body. Like nobody telling us that they want to do that. They have blow up dolls. They have many blow up dolls and all kind of robot dolls where you can spend money and buy. And get them robot dolls, them we can move. And them body part can move and them feel like real skin. Go buy them. Go buy them and leave the people alone. I run come over here what very nice and them pretty because they can buy one wig and put on one like a makeup. Them are going to roll inside them alone. No try no left. No. You know, walk on like Walking Dead. No Walking Dead kind of try to left. Nobody, hello. Nothing on nobody. Like a Walking Dead. That's the breath alone in your body. No tripe in your belly. You know, talk about food and not worry about how much much food. Because me have tripe. Me have tripe in my belly. So me can name food. But no fun can name the food like that because I don't have no tripe. Man, we the food the tripe and mince up on the tripe like blender. No, they can't eat that on the belly, start hurting if you eat like that. Because it's not no Allah. Man, be all up in on the tripe, man, go up in on the tripe and twist up on the tripe. So the food can't go down good on the belly. As no eat like a food, sir, you can't understand all the food. My tripe, them whole and ready for send. Ready for send, baby. So be that my tripe, them strong, and nobody no blister my tripe, them, me can't eat, because my tripe, them is not blistered. Hello. I don't like it for them from me eat because me no blister, me tripe no blister. If you're sick like that, you try blister, you can't name like that. No matter what you eat, what you take, what kind of vitamin you take, your body just don't want to eat if you are sick. But you know, so my tripe no sick and in a blister and you well want blister. My tripe want blister so tail. Ma? When nature take you jump like a frog, I want my tribe to blister, but not any boy go and blister my tribe. Because some girls just walk and make everybody blister for them tribe. And then walk on all of them dead inside. They want to see them pretty and show off them pretty face. And take off the wig and take off the sit down up your foot. They hold you inside of your hollow, come like a tree. You see mahogany tree? When the whole side eat a little fat worm them, the whole inside the tree empty. You cut down the big tree. You say, whoa, when you look inside there, big hole, the whole of them tribe eat out. You have to one for somebody to cut and tripe and they can make steam, make stripe and beans. You have to one for somebody to cut and tripe and my sleep and the Chinese them. I take out them tripe and they can make tripe and beans. You have to wonder how they not a tripe, how they so all inside. And the Chinese take out some of the tripe them. Man, want to go to belly tuck our body swell. Want to go take the needle and swell up on the body. We don't go fall asleep and then take out some on the tribe. Because someone don't allow inside. No matter how much man no take, baby, no can't cry. No too allow. No allow. No swallow like a deep throat. Girl, them a goggle. No allow. All bad. I'm going to pray to God before God not forgive me tonight. Love, you know, God be with us all. So help me, God. And nothing but the truth. God bless you, and nothing but the truth. And have a wonderful night while I clean up and get some rest. Some of y'all probably going to work tomorrow, I don't know. But I love you all. God bless you and my goodies.
And everyone that go on the video, you know it's like you're getting big up free because when you do the video and dance for the video, everybody all over the world gonna see you. And whatever you're selling and doing, you know, it's gonna be successful. So I don't want me play on the feet of my money, but I try to raise something so I can go on a prize because I want to see who are the best dancer. I want to see it, and I know I good at them want to see it too. So don't forget to start donating $5 because when we come up with a prize and see which girl can dance the best, who pretty. So I go into the real video when it's time to shoot the real video. Or we can use the same clip and add it on to the video. And so on. So if we give them something, we can just try. So even though I don't have nothing, but you have to still try. So I love you guys. Good night, my babies, my loved ones. Hug up your man. Kiss up your man. Goggle by your man because I feel your man. And out of the video about a goggle, you know. I am man, you goggle with a fear man and your husband. You're married to, you know, I'm good out there. Walk on and goggle everybody. I goggle. You know, banana throat, that's a goggle. I take in everybody. No. Your man is your man and that's it. Right? If you are goggle your man, that is your man. You have a right to goggle. You have the license to goggle, baby. So anyway, I'm in love, you know. God be with you. Always pray, say your prayers. Regardless of what, we can do nothing without God. And there's no knowledge without God. There's no power without Him. In my world, I don't know about other people's world, but in my world, that's what I believe, and I will always believe. I have many people tell me that there is no God, you're stupid, you're mad, you're this, you're that, and all kind of something. But at the end of the day, God really helped me, and I believe that He's real, and it's there because I have to believe. If the Satan is real, God is surely real. I mean, I don't say real because I see them in real life and see the things that people do down here. You understand me, Goody? You see the kind of things that people do with fishes when they take them over and all them things. So if you can't see that, why not believe in the Lord? Right? So leave it as that. Say your prayers, guys. Thank God for another day. Pray that tomorrow will come out a better day for us. Pray that this week will be a better week for us. Pray that next week and your job will be better. Pray for going out in your job and coming in. Pray for your children's success. Pray with your children. Put them in the right path. No matter what a person will tell you, what you believe in, God will open a path for you. Because there's a lot of things that you got to go through, that a lot of tests to test your faith. A lot of people going to tell you not to believe and go back. But if you're telling me not to believe in God and my life is getting better than yours, then I know who is you to tell me that. So therefore and then, that's how I really see it. We are only flesh, we are only bone. You know, with blood, that's all we are, flesh and bone. And once you're gone back to the dust. And somebody can say you was here before. This person was here before, and everybody cry and they stand, and after that you're gone. That's it. So just remember to keep God first. Keep love in your heart no matter what. If you're a funny person, you like to joke, laugh, live your life, live it. If that's what keep you from not being stressed, if that's going to keep you from not being with different kind of men and live your life carelessly and wreck your life away, do the things that God make you, give it a gift to do. You know, use that gift to make yourself happy. If you want to sing, whatever you want to act, whatever you want to do, just do it. If it's not good enough for other people, don't worry. In time, God will build you up and you will go and just get better and better and better each time because you still believe in Him. He's going to do everything. With God, everything is possible. Without God, nothing is possible. All right? You always have to be possible with Him. So good night. I love you. And remember that. Good night. I love you. Remember that.